What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today I want to address something that I feel like a lot of people are having, doubts about, and that is, of course, SHIBA INU token. So for all the holders of the token, I want to kind of dive into two things: the difference between FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and HODL, holding on for dear life. Just moving forward so we can just clear up that space, because you guys can hear, I always say this is a no FUD zone, FUD free zone, all these different analogs to basically saying that we are against fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But again, you have to remember that it is a tactic. So before I continue on to the video, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you'd like to support me by any way, shape, or form, click the link in the description to sign up for Webull. You get a free stock when you sign up, and you also help me get a free stock when you deposit 1 cent into your brokerage account, and you can get up to $2,300 just like that. And so again, Webull is a brokerage that I like to use, and I think all of you would probably like it as well. Now, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. By Wikipedia's definition, and again, I know Wikipedia, there's difference of opinion, but regardless, it's a decentralized platform, and that's what I love about this specifically. Now, FUD, again, is a propaganda tactic used in sales, marketing, public relations, politics, polling, and cults. Make sure you guys realize all these different things here, that it has applications across. For us, we're looking at it from an investment standpoint. So more of the maybe marketing / a little bit of politics, that kind of thing. But again, remember, FUD is generally a strategy to influence perception by disseminating negative and dubious or false information, and a manifestation of the appeal to fear. So you wake up in the morning, you see the market is down. You go on Twitter and you see people saying the market's going to crash. You see people saying that SHIBA INU is a worthless token. All the 617,000 holders are wasting their time. That starts giving you this feel of uncertainty, uncomfort, or discomfort, maybe a little bit of fear, some doubt about your position. So again, that's that feeling right there that you feel as soon as you see things are in the red and things aren't looking so good. That's when you start seeing the paper hands actually leave out of their position. Paper hands being weak-handed investors. Remember, of course, as I continue on, this is not for financial advice. I'm just trying to always put you guys on the plays that I am in, SHIB Army. So while phrases this goes back to the 20th century, so this is not just a brand new concept. No, this is from a whole century ago. But you have to remember, the big thing is, when it comes to fear, uncertainty, and doubt, is I don't want you to fall into it. There's a difference between actual, negative sentiments, fear, uncertainty, and doubt surrounding an entire space, being cryptocurrency, or if it's the SHIBA INU community, the SHIB ecosystem. That's one. The other place that you'll see a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt that might kind of make you feel like you should leave, and that's not when it's FUD anymore. That's when it's actual, legitimate information that was leaked, say, that causes people to actually sell out of their positions. Actual harmful related things, or applications that or people not delivering to what they've been, proposing in terms of, the management team or the development team. That's when FUD actually has, a basis. So again, for me and my channel, and the transparency is, you guys know I'm an investor into SHIB, and I'm holding strong. Every day I share my position with you guys, and I've never sold a single token since my initial investment. I found fantastic returns from the swap platform. I found that this is a community that it has really endless potential, and I think that over time we're going to continue to see growth and success as more and more of these catalysts that we always talk about come to play. Now, the thing is, the big caveat that I always tell you guys as an investor in this platform is, if I ever notice anything that I don't like, or something that makes me feel this truly is something that I need to report and tell everybody to get out of their positions, I'll be the first to inform you. I promise that one thing that I will do is to make sure, if there's anything that's kind of shady or, even remotely dangerous, I'll get you guys out of it. I'll get myself out and get you guys out ASAP. But for right now, all I've seen is, proposals. I've seen them being the developers of the swap and the developers of SHIBA INU continue to make promises and also deliver on those promises. So for me, that's kind of reassurance and tells me, hey, I should actually, instead of falling to the FUD or what the media is saying or what, social media platforms are talking about, I should stay away from that and continue to have conviction. Because you can go out there and you can find an argument for or against any cryptocurrency or for and against anything in life, right? I don't want to bring up any controversial topics, but for example, vaccinations versus not. For me, someone that's in healthcare, that's something that I, embrace, and I like to hear both sides of the argument from my patients, say. So again, understanding that there are always going to be two sides to the argument, and you can follow one or the other, of course, but make sure you always do your own due diligence and research and identify, hey, this is actually something that makes sense, or there's some confounders in the statement, or some things that really are a little bit shaky where it breaks their argument. So again, going back to rhetoric, argumentative standpoints are always good to kind of, again, get both sides. Don't be ignorant. Get both sides of the spectrum and understand that, hey, for me, I know what I'm going to follow because this is what my gut is telling me. And that's what brings us to what here? HODL, also known as HODL. HODL, again, it's not just people misspelling the word hold. It is actually holding on for dear life. And that is when the market may be pulling back. So as you guys can see, SHIB down 1.6%. The ones who are hodling are the ones who continue to hold when they maybe bought near the peak and held as it kept on going down. And then it's been consolidating since, but they continue to hold. That's what we call holding on for dear life. Sometimes it is not the right thing to do. But if you're someone that is long-term on an investment, you believe that it's going to bounce back up like the majority of investments do. We might see a sell-off, but we see the bulls come back when catalysts are met. When, again, the deliverables are also met for investors. So again, that's kind of what we're looking for SHIB. Phase 2 has been stated. And again, there are some promises, some catalysts, and some things that we're looking for the remainder of the year. So again, for me, it's HODL. It is HODL. HODL till we see those catalysts come about. And then I want to see how the market reacts. I want to see the price action. So for me, again, this is a long-term hold. You guys know that I've made it a statement ever since I started investing into SHIB 3 months ago nearly. May 15th, 2021. I made my first video about it, and I think a day or two later is when my initial investment was made. So again, guys, all I can do is put you guys on the place that I'm in, and I appreciate everybody's support continuously. Obviously, the people that are watching this video, some of you might not even know what Shiba Inu is, so go back and watch some of those videos. But also, I know the long-term investors are also in and watching as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.